Assalamualaikum. Walaikum assalam. What's your name? My name is Nida. How are you? I am good. Thank you. Where are you from? I am from Pakistan. Do you speak English? Yes, I speak English. Can you help me? Yes, I can help you. What is this? This is paper cutter. How old are you? I am 25 years old. What's the time? It is 7:40 p.m. Where do you live? I live in Islamabad. What do you do? I am teacher. What's your favorite color? My favorite color is red. Do you like listening to Naat? Yes, I like to listen to Naat. Can you cook? Yes, I can cook. What's your favorite food? My favorite food is pizza. Are you married? Yes, I am married. Do you have any siblings? Yes, I have 2 siblings. What's your hobby? My hobby is learning new things. Do you like to read books? Yes, I like to read books. What's your favorite movie? I don't like movie. What's your favorite season? My favorite season is winter. What's your favorite sport? My favorite sport is cricket. Do you like to travel? Don't like to travel. What's your favorite book? My favorite book is Quran Majid. Do you have any children? Yes, I have 2 children. What's your favorite holiday? My favorite holiday is Eid. What's your favorite animal? My favorite animal is cat. Can you draw? Yes, I can draw. What's your favorite drink? My favorite drink is orange juice. Can you speak another language? Yes, I can speak English and Urdu. Do you like to take photos? Yes, I like to take photos. What's your favorite subject in school? My favorite subject is Urdu. What's your favorite day of the week? My favorite day is Sunday. What's your favorite vegetable? My favorite vegetable, ladyfinger and potato. What's your favorite color for cloth? My favorite clothing color is black and red. What's your favorite type of phone? My favorite phone is Vivo. Do you like to go to the zoo? Yes, I like to go to the zoo. Do you like to go to the library? Yes, I like to the library. Do you like to go swimming in the pool? Yes, I like to go swimming in the pool. Can you do magic tricks? No, I can't do magic tricks. Can you play the piano? No, I cannot play the piano. Can you cook a special dish? Yes, I can cook a special dish. What is he eating? He's eating a sandwich. What is he writing? He's writing a letter. What are you cooking? I am cooking dinner. What are they watching? They are watching a movie. What are we learning? We learning English. What is she smelling? She is smelling the flowers.